Hello everyone and welcome to BC Studios. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a brand new Oberwerth backpack. Well, at least brand new to me, but first of all I thought I would show you the backpack sling, I think they call it. I have a dedicated video on this backpack sling. It's more of a sling than a backpack, but you can carry it on your back. Beautiful bag, well made, as well as the half case. This is for the M11P and it has that back cover so you can kind of shoot it like an M11D. It's magnetic, so you can just take it off easily, put it back on again magnetically. And the thing I like about this half case is that, of course, you can still access the battery through here, but there is a little slot here that you can put an air tag. And so that's a great way of being able to track your camera, not just if it gets stolen, but even just if you want to know where your camera is, if you loaned it out, or maybe you just don't remember where you put it down last, you have your air tag in here. So I think that's a cool way of adding a little bit more height to your camera, a little bit more grippage here. You got a bit of a grip. It's not overly thick, and no chimping with this cover if you want to leave that cover on. So I'm gonna have fun testing this. It's on a Wotan Craft parachuter leather strap. It's red. It matches the Leica look, as well as a square hood, little soft shutter release in red. And so I think that looks sharp. But let's get to the point here. As you saw in my thumbnail, this will be my unboxing. Wow, like the box is pretty darn big. Let's just move this off the side. This is the this is right here. This is the backpack. As you can see, unopened, sealed, and this is the bag right here. So this is the cute backpack in black and made in Germany. And so let's get this unboxing going. We're gonna unbox with this Wesson, I think they call it like the Swedish uncle knife here, but beautiful knife. Thank you, Wesson, for sending this to me. Had a chance to visit them when I was in Stockholm. Make beautiful pocket knives. All right, finally packaged. Let's just take this out here. Because this bag is all leather construction, it is kind of a heavier bag. I think it's 1 kilogram, and yet it's a tiny bag. It looks like maybe it's like 12 or 13 liters. It's not very big. Nice and thick dust cloth when you do store it. But here you go. Check this out. Really nice looking. Now they do make other size backpacks, but I wanted to try this one here. Looks like I'll need this Swedish uncle knife again, but I want to try this one. I tend to like the smaller bags, and so Oberwerth is well known for their messenger bags. They're Leica-centric messenger bags. They are quite expensive, but they are made in Germany. Really high-end hardware. As you saw in my other video of the sling, use premium German leather or other premium leathers. You can even see here the straps here, all leather. So this is really premium hardware here. You can see it has the Oberwerth on here, and you do have a luggage pass-through on the back here, and with that mesh material so that if you do sweat in the back, it will help dissipate that sweat. And right here, so there's 2 slots. The back slot here, they say that it will store up to, here you go, it will store up to a 14-inch MacBook. And this is the main compartment over here, nice and red. Very Leica-centric. You have 2 little pen holders. You have little card holders over here, and you have an internal zipper over here. So maybe you could put cables, or maybe your wallet can fit inside here. And then another 2 little pockets over here. And here you can, with that, you could easily fit a DOP kit in this section here. See that? Easy fit a DOP kit. It kind of takes up this space over here. Laptop is in the back section here, and then this is really where I want to show. This is probably where the whole idea of this being a queue. Oh, more products. Oh, you got a little separator there. Here, so you got this compartment here, and Oberwerth always has this little warranty card, but as well as a signature, I guess, of the person who checked and packaged by. Isn't that cool? KM. Thank you, KM, for packing this bag nicely for me. And so this is where you're like a Q, or maybe you could put some kind of a separator and put a Q, or maybe an M body. But let's just test that right now. I'm going to leave this out. Grab the M11P with the 35 Apo, and this easily fits inside here like this, just straight down like that with the strap. And as you can see, you can still put something else beside here. So let's just close this up. Nice. It intrudes a little bit. You can see it intrudes, this portion intrudes into the main compartment. So that's the one, I don't say negative, obviously it's just there's no magical space. If it goes in this deep, it'll cut into this section a little bit. But I think it's a great compromise here. But because there's still more room, let's just move this over here and we'll put this here. Put this middle piece in here. So now you can see, I think this is how you do it. Oh, in here too, see that? There's a little spot here. You could put in an air tag. And so air tag in here. Alright, so now that you have this, here's a Q3. Put it in sideways here. So it's a little tight in there. And then next to it, M11P. So you can make it fit, but I would say a flatter lens will probably work out better. Yeah, that's pretty darn tight. So I would not recommend a Q and an M body unless the M has a flatter lens or just body only. So let's just let me just figure this out. Give me 1 second. All right, and I'm here with different cameras here. Here is the M4 with the 50 collapsible. Easily fits there, right? Because it's a collapsible lens, and here's a Q on this side here, and we can put the strap in here. So that's probably but the max you can do. Or if you aren't using the Q, then you can store like 2 M bodies right here. No lens, of course, but if I had a flat lens, you could put 2 M bodies next to each other like this. Or as I showed you before, I did have the M11P with the 35 Apo Summicron here, and still have the M4 with the 50 collapsible. It still fits in here. It's a little tight, but you can make it fit like that. It fits inside, and as I mentioned, it does encroach upon the inside here. You can still fit something kind of underneath this little section here, but you could still put like probably a DOP kit. Here's my 13-inch MacBook Air. Just fit it back here. Yep, easy fits inside here like that in the back section. In fact, I could probably, here's my iPad 11-inch in a Logitech case. So I could put my MacBook and my iPad in the back section here, zip it up, and then still have lots of room to put different things in here. But again, this space here encroaches upon the inside here. So probably put a little DOP kit that floats along the top here, and kind of cram something really small along the bottom. So I'm gonna have to do kind of what's in my bag a little bit later as I test what I can put in here, but easily something like my journal here. This is my plotter journal. Easily fits like this way, or just kind of push it underneath. There you go. It's underneath now. And let's just see if I can fit one more thing. I'll be right back. This is my Peak Design. I've been using this as my DOP kit. I think it's a small wash bag, like a travel bag, but I've been using it as my DOP kit. And I'm pretty sure that this little top, yeah, see, just perfectly, look at that. It's like it was made for it. Zip it up, so I have a MacBook Air, iPad, DOP kit, my journal, and I have 2 M bodies inside here. And I can still carry like a Q, even though it's called a Q backpack, have a Q around my neck, right? So that's pretty good. 2 cameras, 2 lenses, small, M bodies, as well as a DOP kit, a journal, laptop, and an iPad. So I think that's pretty darn good. And I'll insert what this looks like on my back. Obviously, in this overhead, I can't show you, but nice grab handle on the back, on the top here, leather grab handle. Again, nice leather straps over here on the back. Luggage pass through, leather bottom here. So it would be kind of cool and nice if it had little metal feet on you when you put it on the ground, but this is nice leather, so I guess I shouldn't be overly worried. And this is just an insert. As I noticed, I missed something here. I actually missed this little side, kind of a hidden pocket, so you may have caught it before, where from the back you can see it's actually kind of deeper than I thought it would be. So right now I'm using this Plotter Mini 5 as my wallet slash journal, and this could easily fit in here. So if you want kind of a back side access to something that you can either put your change pouch, you can put your wallet, and I noticed even here's my Wotan Craft passport wallet, and this you kind of have to put it in sideways and then turn it around this way. There you go. Easy fits inside here. Obviously when you put stuff here, it's not that dimension, but it does kind of encroach again upon the inside here. So if you also have a laptop and an iPad, and then you put something thick, this isn't too thick, but you know what I'm saying, put something in here, it's going to encroach upon the main compartment, but it is still nice. It's that you do have this sort of semi-hidden side zip over here on this bag. As I showed before, here on the lid here you have a little air tag pocket here, and on the inside again there is a little bit more organization if you wanted to. So if you wanted to put your wallet or something in here, and you have two little pockets, but again you do have to consider this. In fact, you could probably put you could probably fit a water bottle. All right, so might as well see if I can make it work. All right, so let's pull out my DOP kit, and again you can see inside here I do have my larger plotter journal. I do have a battery pack over here, and here we go. So this is my water bottle here. Just tried it. You can put it this way like this, but then I would struggle to put my DOP kit on top. So if I put it sideways, let's just kind of fandangle this, put it sideways like this, right? Sideways, and then it kind of fits underneath this little section here. Now it's in sideways. I can still put my power bank in sideways, if you can see that. And then I put my journal like this. And then now I could put this DOP kit in, and look, there's still a little bit of space up top. DJI Pocket 3 Osmo, I always forget how to say it, but this can still fit at the very top. So I'm really cramming things in here, but let's just see here. There you go. It actually fits all in here. So, and you can see it's not overly, leather has a little bit of give, and it will kind of shape to the way I carry. This is overkill. I don't think I'm gonna carry it like this. By the time I'm filling it out this much, I will eventually then just go to a bigger bag. But still, I can fit a lot more in this main compartment than I initially thought. I'm super excited to give this backpack a go, because there are times when I do want like a nice premium leather backpack and use both for office as well as photographic use. And look at that red. And so I'll put links down below for this, as well as this cool half case for the M11 as well. I think they do have the M10R as well, but having that easy access to the battery as well as having an AirTag pocket is really cool. And the back cover, so it's like an M11D, as well as this backpack sling that I reviewed. I'll put the link down below for this bag as well. So thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for my what's in my bag when I'm out and about with Camera Girl. We'll talk to you soon, and happy shooting. Click, click, click.